start recording yet because I'm only going a couple feet to my insurance agent that wants me to sign something that I don't know. I didn't sign it online because I didn't try it. I don't think I need to. Anyway, trying another little trick with this microphone deal. One thing I had thought of is getting like those corn pads, the little ring that you, I'm rolling backwards, the little ring you put on there, whatever, to cushion your foot so it doesn't hurt around the corn, that type of thing. I was thinking about getting one of those, and then I could put like the cotton, kind of like probably in between there and on top of there. But I also have seen things about people using sponges, so I bought some sponges, but it felt wet when I took it out of the package, and the package even said to like rinse it thoroughly before and in between each uses, so maybe it's got some kind of chemicals in it to keep them not, I don't know, probably to keep them moisturized so they're not brittle and break apart as soon as you take them out of the pack, that type of thing. So as of now, it's just mostly the normal ordeal how I have this, including the new sock puppet. But there also I had some like those little felt pads you stick on the bottom of something so they don't like slide around or scratch up your like tabletops and stuff like that. I stuck one of those directly on top of the microphone, so I'm thinking if anything, like, it's highly likely that that might be entirely. Probably once again I do my T-clock, but we should be right. I'm thinking that may like entirely block the camera. Well, at least it's not gale force winds today. While I'm out, I might go down to the street to check out some other place to see what that is. Not that I have any money to spend on anything or I have any intentions of buying anything, but it's another little like I don't know if it's like a straight up motorcycle shop or what it is. I think it's more of like a, I don't know, used dealer of some kind, of all kind of whatever. Big boys, so I see motorcycles in the windows, so some motorcycles. So at least we got the vision narrowed down. So now you're like, now that's not point, it's what you should be looking at. What I'm looking at. Sign in auto draft release. It's like, I don't want auto draft. Tried to ask you in the text whether I needed it or not. Yeah, it's still pretty windy, considering it's not very windy. It's like normal wind. unsubs. Looks like they got Vienna there though, so at least get that. But hey, look over here, honey. Yeah. An idiot. I'll go when there's not traffic coming, you old bag. How about you pay attention to what you're doing? I know what I'm doing. Alright. Yeah, I've heard this Addison's Steakhouse sucks. So we don't necessarily need to check that out. But it's pretty crappy. So I have heard. Video stop. I don't know why it takes 2 tries.